There is something common between you and myself, and that is that we all want to live a happy life. We all want to remain happy. But have you ever tried to know what it takes to be happy? What our life demands from us to be happy, to remain happy? Have you ever tried to understand the source of happiness? Have you ever understood what it takes to be happy? What it really takes to live a happy life? Well, today in this video I'm going to talk about those sources which actually causes happiness in our life. In George Sand's word, the biggest factor of living a happy life is to love and to be loved. But there are many other factors, there are many other sources, there are many other things which we need to understand before we live a happy life. The biggest mistake that we as a human being do is we chase happiness. We don't chase what it requires to be happy. If we really know the root cause in order to live a happy and fulfilled life, we can definitely achieve the state of happiness that we want in our life. So the number one source of happiness and to live a life happily is to be grateful for the things that you already have, is to perform gratitude. As you know that gratitude is the best form of attitude. If you are grateful for the things that you have today, then you will definitely feel happy. You don't have to worry about the things that you actually want to attain or want to achieve. You have to plan them out. But at least do not forget about the blessings that you already have. Because at one time in the past, you were craving to achieve those things that you already have today. And if you are grateful for the things that you already have and you're living in the present, you will definitely be happy. And the second thing to live a happy life is to have a clear goals. Don't shoot the bullet in the air. If you do not know your target, you cannot hit the target. Imagine that you know where you want to go. You will definitely find all the ways, take help from everyone, and you will reach to your destination. But imagine that you don't know your destination and you don't know where you need to go. Then how would you go to the place if you don't even know your destination? So it is important to have clear goals in your mind, define them, and most possibly you will find all the way to achieve them. And the third thing to be happy, the source of happiness, is to have a good health. I've seen a lot of people neglecting to be healthy. One thing I can guarantee you, that if you're healthy, you will have a good mindset. You will feel better about yourself. It will give you a great feeling. If you're healthy, as you know that your body talks to your mind, if they both remain in sync and harmony, you will feel happy. So work on your health, have right set of nutrients, exercise regularly. If you feel good about yourself and healthy, you will remain happy. Another thing that I want to talk about in order to live happy life and to be fulfilled is to have a great relationship. I have personally experienced this in my life. If you don't invest your time in relationship, then you will miserably fail. It is extremely important the way you invest time, energy, money in yourself, in your self-development, and to achieve what you want to achieve in life. Similarly, you got to invest time, energy, money in your relationship. Relationship could be with your boss, it could be with your spouse, it could be with your parents, it could be with your brothers, sisters, and it could be with your best of best friends. It could be with anyone. You really got to invest all three big resources in order to have happiness in your life. It is one of the fundamental factor of being happy, because if you don't have a good relationship or good bond with the one you love, then it is highly likely that you will feel miserable, because you will feel bad about that. So invest time, money and energy in having a great relationship. Another thing which I want to discuss with you today about being happy and living a happy life is managing your time and schedule in an efficient way. At times we are so busy, we don't even figure out what is more urgent and important for us. So you got to manage your MITs. MITs are like your most important task. So you need to understand what are those activities throughout your day which are urgent and important. If you are able to complete those activities, it gives you a kind of good feeling and give you a sense of accomplishment that I have done something which was really urgent and it was really cumbersome, and you have achieved it successfully. And the last thing that I want to give you as a tip is, do not have a feeling that you want to be liked by everyone. You have that kind of a feeling that everyone should like you, believe me, you will miserably fail. You will have one reason to be not happy versus you want to be happy. As my mentor Ron Malhotra says, that if you want to be liked by everyone, go and sell ice cream. Everybody will love you. So do not have this feeling that you want to be liked by everyone. Stand for what is right, not for what is popular or everyone says so. So have least amount of expectation from others and high expectation from yourself that you are able to fulfill. So I hope you have loved this video today. I'm sure there are many other factors which makes you happy and makes your life better. So I would want you to drop those ideas and those steps in this comment section. So this is your friend Tausif Hasan signing off. Until we meet again, have a fantastic evening.